Hello, this exercise will teach us how to convert the number from different bases into base 10. So here we have question number 1A. Express each of the following as a number in base 10. So from 100 base 2 into a different number, which is base 10. So how do we convert that? Basically, it's very simple. First, you need to list out all the numbers here, 100. So it's actually a 3-digit 100, and followed by, we can write 2 equals to 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. Okay, so what you need to do next is you multiply these two numbers together. 2 power 0 is 1. 1 times 0, you get 0. 2 power 1 is 2. 2 power 2 is 4. 4 times 1, you get 4. I'm sorry about that. So this 2 power 1 is actually 2. 2 times 0 should be 0. Okay. So next, you need to add up all these numbers together. Okay. So this row of number, you need to add them all up together. You get a 4 here. So this will be your answer. 4 base 10. Okay, next we move on to question 1B. 1010. Okay, start off by writing all this number. And what you need to do now is to write down 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, and 2 power 3. Next, we multiply these two rows of numbers together. You get 0 times 2 to the power of 0. You get 0. This will be 2. This will be 0 because 0 multiplied by 4, you get a 0. And lastly, 2 to the power of 3 is 8. So next, you need to add all this number together. And therefore, you get a value of 10. So the value of this will be 10, base 10. Okay, next, we increase another digit here, 11011. 11011. So the same thing, you need to list down this power. Okay. So the further up to your left side here, you need to increase the power by 1. Huh? So 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 4. So next, we multiply these two rows of number. 1 times 2 to the power of 0, you get 1. 2, 0, 8, and lastly 16. So next, we need to add all this number together. The final answer will be 2 base 10. 27 base 10. So here, this is the number 27. So what if the number, now we convert to base 8 to base 10. Okay, so it's the same process. First, you need to list down the number. Two, 6. Okay, 2, 6. Next, list down 8 to the power of 0, 8 to the power of 1. Multiply these two rows of number. So 8 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. 1 times 6 is 6. 8 times 2 is 16. So 16 plus 6, you get 22 is 10. So the final answer will be 22 base 10. We move on to question 2B. Okay, so it's 167. 167 base 8 changed to base 10. 8 to the power of 0, 8 to the power of 1, 8 to the power of 2 here. So here you have 8 to the 8 power 0 times 7, you get 7, 48, and 64. So next we move on to add the last row of the number, 48 plus 7. You get the final answer of 119 base 10. Then we move on to 2C here, 63. So 63 change to base 10. So 3 times 8 to the power of 0, you get 3. 6 times 8, you get 48. So the final answer will be 48 plus 3, you get 51. So this will be 51 base 10. And next we move on to base 5 convert to base 10 here. Okay, it's the same thing. List down in the table form. So this will be 5 power 1, 5 power 0. And here you have 3 and 9 for question A here. So what's the value here on the third row? 9 times 1, you get 9. 5 times 3, you get 15. So 15 plus 9, you get 24. The answer is 24 base 10. Next, we move on to the second part here. So it's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 5 to the power of 0, 5 to the power of 1, 5 to the power of the value of 2. So 5 times 3, 5 to the power of 0 times 3, you get 3. 5 times 2, you get 10. 25 times 1, you get 25 here. So the final answer will be 25 plus 10 plus 3, you get 38. Okay, the last one, 1137 base 5, convert it to base 10. Okay, I need to add another row here. So it's 1137. So this will be 5 to the power of 3. Okay, 7 times 1, you get 7. 3 times 5, you get 15. 1 times 25, you get 25. 1 times 125, you get 125. Okay. So the last step will be adding all this number together. So the answer will be 172 base 10. That's all from me. Thank you.